What's up, Earth Keepers? In this video, I'm going to showcase the Xanthos Flat Earth model in its first stage of development. My hope is to help develop the Flat Earth theory while continuing to make videos that will help make the transition from globe Earth to Flat Earth a little less painful for others and be of value to the Flat Earth community. Our design, or model, has been hand-drawn and is by no means perfect, but we hope that something new is learned, or at the very least, we inspire others to build upon our ideas. Now, let's talk real quick about what we do not believe. We do not believe in heliocentrism, and we do not believe in geocentrism. We do not believe that the Earth is revolving around the Sun, or that the Sun and Moon are revolving around the Earth. We simply believe that all celestial bodies rotate or cycle exclusively above Earth. We also do not necessarily believe the Earth is flat, but rather we believe that the Earth is an infinite planet. Let me explain. The ancient Sumerian word for Earth is Kai. Think Kai and sky. Sky with an I, not a Y. As above, so below. Just as you see the infinite expanse of the sky, or firmament, or heavens, whatever you call it, so the earth below is infinite as well. And what most call a planet is actually a planete, which denotes a flattened plane and recognizes that there is a bedrock surface, which is the foundation of the earth that is indestructible and immovable. The synonym of bedrock means solid foundation, base, rock base, or we're digging till we hit bedrock. Of course we know that bodies of water and land can still change over top of this planet. We also believe that the Earth is in fact surrounded by ice, but to varying degrees of severity due to the path of the Sun over the Earth. And we believe that the Earth, as we know it, is the heart or gateway to 8 other system environments just like our own, which makes 9 total system environments. We call these Novem Mundos, or 9 worlds. Our idea of a system environment comes from this Nikola Tesla quote, where he claims, "Earth is a realm, it is not a planet. It is not an object, therefore it has no edge. Earth would be more easily defined as a system environment. Earth is also a machine. It is a Tesla coil. The Sun and Moon are powered wirelessly with the electromagnetic field, the ether. This field also suspends the celestial spheres with electromagnetic levitation. The electromagnetic levitation disproves gravity because the only force you need to counter is the electromagnetic force, not gravity. The stars are attached to the firmament." He calls the Earth a realm, which in reality it is a realm in the sense that the 9 worlds make up the Earth realm we live in. While the Novem Mundos, or 9 worlds, each have their own system environments, they are all dependent upon each other. Basically, every realm consists of Novem Mundos and has a sacred geometry of its own. And yes, it is possible to safely pass through from one world to the next, because we literally breathe the same air. We just don't feel the same sun or look at the same moon and stars. It's honestly not rocket science. On that note, my husband has an interesting perspective about Admiral Byrd and how his discovery supports our model.
Admiral Byrd was a US Navy admiral and explorer, and during a TV interview following the 1956 Antarctic expedition, he made a very interesting statement. He stated that he led an expedition that flew 2,300 nautical miles beyond the South Pole and found a continent the size of North America that has an abundance of resources. Now on a globe Earth, let's look at what this means. Byrd's base was at the Little America Basin, and taking a straight line flight from there over the South Pole and then a further 2,300 nautical miles, he would find himself somewhere near the South Georgia Island in the South Atlantic. However, Byrd actually said he found a new continent. Now, finding a new continent is only possible in an infinite plane, and he also brings into question the belief that Antarctica is completely frozen. It is not.